Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country, Iran. Official name of the Iran is Islamic Republic of Iran. Iran's capital is Tehran. Iran flag consists of horizontal tricolor of green, white and red with national emblem on the center. Iran total area is 1.6 million square kilometer. Estimated population of Iran is 82.9 million people. Major religion of Iran is Shia Islam. Official language of Iran is Persian. Iran's currency is Iranian rial. Iran officially became an Islamic Republic on April 1, 1979. Iran's national animal is Persian lion. National sports wrestling, flower red rose, fruits pomegranate, trees cypress, birds nightingale. Iran is a country located in the Middle East of Asia that was known as Persia for thousands of years until 1935. Strange non-alcoholic beer, pineapple, strawberry, grapes and bunch of flavor of beer available in Iran. The Iran and Iraq war was fought between the two neighboring countries from 1980 to 1988. During the war, an estimate over 1.5 million people dies on both sides. Iran is home to one of the hottest places on earth, the Lut Desert. A record temperature of 70.7 degrees Celsius in 2005. By area, Iran is the second largest country in the Middle East after Saudi Arabia and the 16th largest in the world. In 2007, Iranian officials detained 14 squirrels for spying. The squirrels were wearing small recording device for spying. Iran has been nicknamed the nose job capital of the world, with as many as 200,000 people doing cosmetic surgery for a nose every year. The game of polo originated in Iran around 600 BC. It would later develop into the national sport. Iran is the largest producer of saffron. Saffron can be more expensive than gold. It is commonly referred as red gold. Esfahana is Iran's top tourist destination. The city is home to the UNESCO listed central square of Median Imam. The critically endangered Asiatic cheetah can only be found in Iran. It is believed that fewer than 50 are left in the wild. The hijab or headscarf has been compulsory for the Iranian women since Islamic Revolution of 1979. Recently, they have been campaigning to relax the law. Iran is one of the world's largest oil producer. It has the world's fourth biggest oil reserves. In 2007, the Iran Carpet Company produced the world's largest hand-woven carpet, measuring 5,632 meters squared. The rug was made for the mosque in Dubai, UAE. Iran was home to the first condom factory in Middle East. The thumbs up sign is offensive in Iran. It is the equivalent of middle finger up yours and should never be used. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.